Hi everybody, welcome to Little Info and I am Sudha Srinivas. So today I will be talking about NFTs, that is non-fungible tokens. So of late you must have heard about a famous artist Beeple selling his creation for more than $69 million. That was trending quite few months ago. Okay, so I will be telling you about that. So how was that he created, he was able to sell his creation for so much. That was because he sold it as an NFT. So what is an NFT? So NFT is an online marketplace where different collectibles or creations are bought and sold. It can fetch you prices in millions of dollars. Okay, so non-fungible tokens can include anything from digital art or published columns, anything to real estate, to even images, music, videos, why not even toilet papers and tweets and memes. Okay, so it can be anything, so any unique asset that lives online and is managed in a digital ledger. Okay, now these are generally encoded with the same technology or same software used as in cryptos. Okay, I've already spoken about cryptos in my different video. Please go to my YouTube channel and take a look at that. Okay, so does that mean this cryptocurrencies and this NFTs are same? Not really. They just use the same technology. Both of them use the same technology called as a blockchain technology. But NFTs are different from these cryptocurrencies. Now, cryptocurrency, one Bitcoin can be exchanged for another Bitcoin. They have the same value. But unlike NFTs, each one cannot be exchanged with another. Okay, NFTs are different. Each has a different digital signature, and it makes it impossible to be exchanged for one another. Okay, so even tweets count here. So Twitter co-founder sold his first tweet as an NFT for more than $2 million. Oh my god, that's a huge amount. Okay, so I really can't convert it. Okay, so now what are these NFTs used for? Now basically these artists and real estate people currently, if they have to sell their creation, they have to get into some galleries or they have to search for different platforms to sell their creations, right, to monetize their creation. But now everything can be done online itself. When if they create a digital art, that can be directly sold to the consumer without any intermediary, directly to them without any problem. So now they can sell it and they can even claim royalties when it is resold again. So this is gone to that extent. Okay, now brands like Taco Bell, they have auctioned kind of theme art to raise funds for charity. So they are using for these kind of very important purposes also. So many celebrities, many chefs and many popular figures are in this system now. So this is gaining a lot of importance. Okay, so with the current infrastructure, with the current modern financial system, we have a lot of sophisticated trading and loan systems, correct, for different assets. But when you look at NFTs, it makes everything very simple. So it is a kind of reinvention of this whole infrastructure. Okay, so these tokens are an evolution over cryptocurrencies. Okay, because it is completely tamper resistant, it cannot be duplicated. So there's a lot of market efficiency here. Main thing is no intermediaries at all. So it can be directly connected with consumers. It cannot be copied. It cannot be substituted. There is certified legal single ownership. Okay, so main altogether. So risk free. So even when there's millions of dollars running around this market, there is absolute risk free because everything is digitalized. So you can sell anything online. Okay, unique asset that can be sold online easily between a buyer and seller. Okay, so is this really for a common man like you and me? If you ask me, not really at the moment. But why not? There's nothing wrong in knowing this is an information, right? Now this market has grown extremely crazy to an extent where there is something called as CryptoKitties. This was launched in 2017. So CryptoKitties are digital representation of cats, okay, with unique identification blockchain. So each cat will have unique identification code. They will produce offsprings. Now each offspring will have different code, so that is monetized. So people are behind this for feeding these cats and nurturing these cats. So billions of dollars under this for nurturing these CryptoKitties. Oh my god, forget about cats growing them at home, but it has gone to the next extent of digital cats. Oh my god, sounds really great, right? So why not know all this is an information even though we don't use that technology, right? So nothing harm in that. So keep watching Little Info. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.